English for Kids. Morning routine. 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. 2. I brush my teeth. 3. I take a shower. 4. I get dressed. 5. I make my bed. 6. I eat breakfast. 7. I drink coffee. 8. I read the news. 9. I pack my bag. 10. I leave for work. At work. 1. I start work at 9 a.m. 2. I check my emails. 3. I attend meetings. 4. I make phone calls. 5. I write reports. 6. I have lunch at noon. 7. I work on projects. 8. I take short breaks. 9. I collaborate with colleagues. 10. I finish work at 5 p.m. Studying. 1. I attend classes. 2. I take notes. 3. I do my homework. 4. I study for exams. 5. I read textbooks. 6. I write essays. 7. I participate in discussions. 8. I ask questions. 9. I do research. 10. I review my notes. Home maintenance. 1. I clean the house. 2. I do the laundry. 3. I vacuum the floor. 4. I mop the floor. 5. I dust the furniture. 6. I wash the windows. 7. I take out the trash. 8. I water the plants. 9. I fix broken items. 10. I organize my things. Evening routine. 1. I go home. 2. I cook dinner. 3. I eat dinner. 4. I wash the dishes. 5. I watch TV. 6. I read a book. 7. I take a walk. 8. I relax on the couch. 9. I call a friend. 10. I go to bed. Personal care. 1. I brush my hair. 2. I wash my face. 3. I apply lotion. 4. I put on makeup. 5. I trim my nails. 6. I floss my teeth. 7. I use deodorant. 8. I wear clean clothes. 9. I get a haircut. 10. I go to the dentist. Health and fitness. 1. I go for a run. 2. I do yoga. 3. I go to the gym. 4. I lift weights. 5. I follow a workout routine. 6. I drink plenty of water. 7. I eat healthy foods. 8. I avoid junk food. 9. I take vitamins. 10. I get enough sleep. Traveling. 1. I book a flight. 2. I pack my suitcase. 3. I go to the airport. 4. I check in. 5. I go through security. 6. I board the plane. 7. I find my seat. 8. I fasten my seat belt. 9. I enjoy the flight. 10. I arrive at my destination. Social interactions. 1. I greet my neighbors. 2. I make small talk. 3. I invite friends over. 4. I go out for coffee. 5. I chat with colleagues. 6. I join social events. 7. I attend parties. 8. I meet new people. 9. I say goodbye. 10. I keep in touch. Shopping. 1. I go to the supermarket. 2. I buy groceries. 3. I pay with my credit card. 4. I use a shopping list. 5. I look for discounts. 6. I ask for help. 7. I compare prices. 8. I check the expiration dates. 9. I pack my groceries. 10. I go to checkout counter. Love this post. Save this post. Share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL and English Teacher. Thank you very much indeed once again. May God bless you. Amen.